I really need to be careful with these because I don't have any backups. But I'm a bit worried that my crane driver hands don't really have the finesse required for such a task. You know, if I crack one of the domes, I don't have a dish.
Today, you're not going to lift the lids to your mystery boxes. Oh. You're going to smash your way through them.
Oh. What?
You ready?
Oh, my God.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it.
Oh. Smash your boxes!
Went too hard.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
I love it.
Oh, my
I
gosh.
still thought it was timber. Oh.
How wonderful is that?
Whoa.
They are completely made of chocolate.
That's awesome.
What the heck?
A completely edible mystery box. Made of chocolate.
That is insane.
White chocolate. That's chocolate, bro. That's chocolate.
No way. That's awesome.
So cool.
The mystery box is made out of chocolate. I cannot believe it. It looks incredible. None of us knew that it was any different from our normal mystery box. I'm in shock.
Wow, Ray.
Yeah.
So talk us through it. What do we got here, Kirsten?
So we have some mint, instant coffee, and some coffee beans, green tea, beautiful ripe nectarines, coconut, desiccated, and we've got fresh whole coconut, some fresh raspberries here, and we've got some dark rum.
Guys, I don't know if you've noticed it yet, but there's only 7 ingredients. The box is the 8th ingredient. How good is that? Brian, you pumped?
Yeah. Really
Stop
fun.
eating it, man. There'll be none left.
They're all just eating it. It's fantastic. I think you have to, number one, you have to stop eating the 8th ingredient. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to make any desserts.
Sweet week should present a bit of a challenge. I don't cook desserts that much. Just thinking tidy up my bench first. It's a million miles away from my day job as a crane operator, so I don't think anyone would expect me to be a dessert cook. But I really don't want to go back into an elimination, so I really need to push it now, dig deep. I've just got to come up with something pretty amazing looking. Today I'm trying to step it up and be fancy. I really want to impress the judges. I saw the coconut here, so I might do a little bit of a play on the coconut. I want to temper some of that chocolate and make like little mini coconut. I'm going to give it a crack and see how we go. Just thinking I might do a toasted coconut ice cream inside and maybe a bit of a raspberry coulis or something to go with it. I'm really happy with my concept today, but I've really got to execute it well. That chocolate's got to be tempered perfectly so it's got a nice crack, and the ice cream needs to be nice and creamy and luxurious. I think it is a bit of a risk to make the coconut because they've got to be spot on or else it's not going to fly. Pressure here today is immense. There's so much on the line, but I just want to make sure there's nothing left in the tanks when I'm done.
The dish I have in mind is a fallen ice cream. So we'll have a twirl cone.
It comes from just the classic idea of an ice cream cone that someone dropped on the plate. It's gonna be a bit shattered, a bit messy, but I'll just have all these little interesting bits here and there. I'm really excited about this challenge. I love making desserts and really hope to be tasted today.
Brian,
Hi, George.
how
are you?
excited were you?
Oh,
Hey?
I still can't believe it. It's a bit crazy.
That looks beautiful. What is
So
that?
I'm gonna smoke the anglaise later. It's a rum and coffee ice cream.
Yeah,
And
yum.
I'm just gonna keep it really simple.
Can you? No.
Yeah.
Can you keep it
I
simple?
will really try. Like, just nail a few
Well,
elements.
what's your
well.
definition of simple? Give us what's the dish?
4 or 5 elements maximum. Not simple.
I love it.
Can I steal that M off you, mate?
Yeah, go for it. It's just in that tray.
I'm ready to construct my coconut now. So I'll take my domes out of the fridge, fill with the roasted coconut ice cream. I'll grab a few of the little domes of raspberry sauce, put them on top. I've been in a few eliminations now. It means so much to me this week to finally start cooking well. I've been struggling in the past and You know, I really need that confidence boost to let myself know that I can cook. I really need to be careful with these because I don't have any backups. But I'm a bit worried that my crane driver hands don't really have the finesse required for such a task. You know, if I crack one of the domes, I don't have a dish.
So I've actually finished all my main elements. I've got my ice cream in the freezer, my jelly has set. I've got my chocolate powder. I've got my fresh raspberry portioned out.
I take the twirls out of the oven, they're perfect. They're burning hot, but I really need to start shaping them as soon as possible. So using some cone molds, I shape them into little ice cream cones. My fingers are burning, they really hurt. Because twirls harden within the first minute of taking out, I have to sacrifice my fingers.
Kirsten tasted my dish. That'd be really amazing. She's an amazing dessert pastry chef.
Pumped. I'm scared. Oh, God.
30 seconds!
Oh, sorry.
Seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Tools down. Well done.
Good job. I've been told to come check out your dish. Man, it looked amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Well done.
What always makes me mad?
One portion.
I'm a big guy and I eat a lot.
I see the coffee jelly made a comeback.
Yeah.
Oh, I really do hope I have a chance in top 5. I think I've got a killer ice cream.
Only 5 dishes out of 19 are going to be tasted. I just really hope to be tasted today because it's Sweets Week.
Happy, mate? Happy? Trying for a tasting today. I haven't had a dish tasted yet in the mystery box, so it really mean a lot to get a dish up that the judges want to taste.
What have you cooked?
So I've cooked a fallen smoky coffee and rum ice cream with a coffee twirl, coffee jelly, raspberry marshmallows, and a salted roasted white chocolate powder.
Great balance of textures. The cone is really nice and crunchy, so when you snap into that and you get the ice cream, when you put it all together, absolutely beautiful.
I think that's properly good. Like, absolutely delicious. I love every element that's on the plate. I was really worried about that coffee ice cream. I thought, you know, if you're using instant coffee, the risk is that it's much too bitter and too strong. Bang on. Like, delicious. Really well done.
You've done a wonderful job. I mean, really, really wonderful job. Thanks, Brian.
Thank you. The next dish we'd like to taste is Eloise.
Oh. Just trying desperately hard not to drop it.
Gee.
So Eloise, what's your dish?
It's a sort of trifle. So I've got some coconut sponge soaked in rum syrup, raspberry marshmallow, coffee jelly, and a creme patissier.
I think that would qualify as a trifle.
I was
Not a
say,
sort of trifle. I'd
looks
go
like
with a confident trifle.
It looks fabulous. Tell you what, if that came out into a restaurant, everybody's looking and thinking, ooh.
That looks so amazing. You just want to dive.
Yeah, it's great, isn't it? Really good.
That is an absolutely winning dish. The sponge, texture of the sponge, just the bang-on sweetness of that beautiful coffee syrup, coffee flavour, the raspberry marshmallow. That is delicious. That is a diet-busting hell of a dish.
I think you've absolutely smashed it. I could have eaten the whole thing myself.
You're giving us some hits, aren't you? I mean, honestly, week 4, and you're just bashing out great dish after great dish. That's another cracking, great, delicious, yummy dish.
So, Eloise, well done.
Thank you.
Eliza, your turn. Eliza, what's your dish?
My dish today reminds me of an iced Vovo. A little bit different with a nectarine and rum marshmallow.
There's one for all of us.
Thank you.
Yeah, that.
That's great. It's sophisticated and delicious and soft, and that little soft biscuity base is absolutely perfect.
Delicious. Love it. It's yum. Tasty as.
We're going to have a real problem.
Yeah,
we are. I reckon we've only tasted 4, and then all that's another absolute cracker.
Who's it going to be? Huh?
Well done, Eliza.
Thanks.
And the last dish we'd like to taste belongs to Pete. What's the dish?
It's my coconut.
Your coconut?
Yeah. I've got a white chocolate shell with the roasted coconut ice cream and a raspberry sauce inside.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
nice.
Eat.
The crack on that is just absolutely wonderful. That ice cream looks fantastic. Look at the texture.
Wow.
What a brilliant dessert. Wonderful crisp chocolate crumb. The most unbelievably delicious roasted coconut ice cream. That ice cream is heavenly. And in the middle, that really lovely, refreshing raspberry coulis is a real contrast against the creaminess of the ice cream. I think it's brilliant, I think it's delicious, I think it's playful, I think it's everything you want a dessert to be, and I think it's everything we wanted to see in Sweet Week. Well done. That's great work.
Tough, man. Well done, Pete.
Thanks, Liz. It's such a relief, and you get some great feedback. It just feels so good. I'm just elated.